everyone, today we're going to make sausage braised with apples and cabbage. First off, I've already preheated my oven. I've got the coals on it and it should be hot by now, so we could put the oil in and put the sausage in and get it browned. I'll take my lid off. Now we're going to put in some oil, a couple tablespoons. And add our sausage. This is 12 ounces of smoked sausage. That'll take about 5 minutes to brown. Okay, so now we're going to check the sausage and see if it's browned at all. Stir it around a little bit. Next we'll add our ingredients. We have a half a head of cabbage and it's coarsely chopped. We have 1 apple, it's a Granny Smith, coarsely chopped. Next we have 1 medium sliced onion. About 1/8 of a cup of About 1/8 of a cup of brown sugar. It calls for 1/4 of a cup, but it made it a little too sweet for us. And this is a half a cup of water. And then we add some salt. About a teaspoon of salt. And a half a teaspoon of pepper. We'll mix that around a little bit. Next we're going to let it cook for like just about an hour. Well, it's smelling really good. Let's give it a little stir. Test the apples out if I can find them. Yeah, they're starting to get there. The cabbage is looking real good. We'll give that about 30 more minutes. Okay, so it's been about an hour. So we're going to check and see. Well, it smells really good. The cabbage is cooked and the sausage looks done. We'll spoon some of this up. And this is some au gratin potatoes I made in the house. Just something to go with it.